Hey gang, this is Al from BoxBreakings.com. We're here for the free break, or the break portion of the freebie for June 18th to the 22nd. Every $25 you spent or $50 you spent, you get a entry into the free break of Bowman 2012, and this is the break portion of the Bowman 2012. Your team owner sheet on the wall tells you which teams you own in the order of most teams owned to least teams owned. Time check now. It is 11:46 p.m. East Coast time, June 30th. And here's your Bowman 2012 box. Hopefully it's a good one. Let's bust into it and see what auto or autos we're going to take home tonight. You guys are going to take home tonight. So good luck. Got a bunch of packs to go through here. Usually it takes a little bit of time. Alright, zoom out, down a little bit, and we're off. Let me get rid of this thing. So good luck. We have Ellsbury, Cruz, Lawrence, Susur, Canio, Gold, Joey Votto, International, Fernandez, Paul Hoylman, Mark Reynolds, Nick Markakis, Robinson Kenya, Bourne, Axford, Francisco Lindor, Michael, is there something stuck there? No. Michael Bourne, Trevor Bauer, Pena, Staley, Jesus Montero, and Victorino. Dan Heron, Jennings, Harther, Garrett Cole, Axford, Dante Bichette Blue, numbered to 500, nice little card, Whiting, Bertie, Justin Upton, and Santana. Joyce, Lupke, Matt Perk, Levi Michael, Dan Heron Gold, a nice red ice card, numbered 17 of 25, Angelus Nina for Colorado, nice little card there for Colorado, put that into some plastic, might come in handy. Jackie Bradley Jr., Tim Krabby, Rowan, and Posey. Matt Cain, Goodyear, Fowler, Rosario, Josh Beckett, Evan Longoria, Hudson, Marsnick, Stanton, and Escobar. McCann, Morrow, Tavares, Yepes, Desmond Jennings, and then Buster Posey, little ice refractor, whatever they're calling it this year. Nice little card. Gak, Hutchison, Pacheco, and Teixeira. Duda, Craig, Carpenter, Castellanos, Cardona, Joyce, Gold, Maples, Slash, Walden, Young, and then a Yankees Ever Wonder card. Green, Hudson, Dante Bichette Jr. again, Maples, Gold Ike Davis, Norris, Rierick, Euclid, Swisher, and Sanchez. Lester, Moore, Mauer, Carter, Zach Walters, Todd Helton Gold, Smith, Brennan Smith, Lawrence, Jesus, Ben Revere, Garrett, no, Brett Pill. Cards upside down, left to right, they're all which ways. Evan Longoria, Prince Fielder, I hate that. It makes it so much easier when I'm sorting them afterwards though. Michael Krause, Josh Edgen, Derek Jeter Gold, International Kyle Simon, Dylan Howard, Nathan Freeman, David Ortiz, and Jason Worth. Hendricks, Eckley, a Pedersen, Blash, Ryan Braun Gold, Brandon Drury, Jesus Galindo, Michael Young, Alex Gordon, Josh Johnson. McCarthy, Hernandez, Robbie Price, Nelson Cruz, and oh, a nice auto of Dante Bichette Jr. It's a nice Bichette box. Got the blue one, got the regular one, now we got an auto, on-card auto. Nice card for the Yankees. Nice hit for the Yanks. Who's got the Yanks? New York. Who was the lucky one? New York is Gerald A. And Tyler Collins, Nick Delmonico, Neil Walker, and Jordan Zimmerman, and Brandon Beachy. Miguel Cabrera, Joe Benson, Paul Hoylman, Mike Murray, Brandon McCarthy, Gold, Francisco Lindor, Paulino, A-Rod, and Brandon Phillips, and Bud Norris. Alex Avila, Tommy Hanson, Matt Holliday, Andrew Susak, Felix Hernandez, and then a nice little die cut Matt Kemp, Bowman's Best. Nice little hit, 66 of 99 for the Dodgers. And Julio Rodriguez, Dean Green, Hanley Ramirez, and Jimmy Rollins. Chipper, Alex Liddy, Markham, Drew Hutchison, Alexander Bogarts, Ellsbury Gold, Angel Sants, Silo, Storin, and Tulowitzki. Freeze, Cueto, Cowgill, Gagnon, Markham, Gold, Manny Machado, Bowman's Best, Rosario, and Jones, Richard Jones, B.J. Upton, Steven Strasburg, James Darnell, Shu Chu, McInnes, Danny Barnes, Cliff Lee, Josh Bell, Brady, Adam Jones, Ramirez, Mustakis, and St. Louis Ever Wonder. Michael Morse, D. Gordon, Jesus Galindo. Keeps feeling like there's something else in there, but there's not. Oh, nice blue refractor was dropped. Alex Liddy, and for the Pirates, Luis Heredia, numbered to 250, blue refractor, nice looking card. Matthew West, Andrew Susak, Tyler Pasternicki, Jared Weaver, Jose Valverde. Braun, Beckett, Billow, Richard, Lubke, and Carter, Duvall, Ichiro, Rasmus, Latos, Ike Davis, Helton, Jeter, Melm, McCann, Ellsbury, Michael Gonzalez, Herther, Neftali Felice, and Gio Gonzalez. Cliff Lee, Morgan, Diaz, Ortega, Brandon Morrow Gold, Aaron Sibia International, Holtzen, Danny Holtzen, Yepes, Yu Darvish, rookie, Bogle Song, Molina, Betances, Bumgarner, Wunderlich, Weiss, Duda, Gold, Walters, Richard, Bugla, Santana. 2 packs left. These little boxes take forever, I'll tell you. Hellickson, Jimenez, Maronde, Hedges, Craig, Ortega, Anderson, Ruiz, David Price, Pedroia. Last pack. Kinsler, Kemp, Gonzalez, Tilson, Tyler Austin, Carpenter, Cabrera, Garrett Cole again, Ogando, and Weeks, Ricky Weeks. Alright, gang, well, that just about does the Bowman, and up next will be the historic autographs, so stay tuned. We'll be right back. Thank you.